Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and this time I'm going to show you how to make your own clip-ins. Alright guys, so let me start off with the supplies. So you'll need 1 to 2 bundles of hair, some thread, a needle, clips about 15 to 20, and scissors. So we're going to be making this 7-piece set. That is a full head of hair. Now you can add more if you'd like, but I'm just going to start off by showing you how to do it with 7. So you're going to take your bundle of hair and you're going to keep it doubled. And what I mean by that is it's going to be folded so that 2 tracks are together. You're going to start off by cutting your first pieces. You're going to make 2 small ones, and then the rest are going to be almost like a layered from small to bigger and bigger and bigger. So you're going to make 7 pieces like this. You're going to start off by getting your needle. You're going to go ahead and thread it. Go ahead and put it through the hole, and then you're going to match it to another side, cut the thread, and then knot it. And this is how you thread your needle before starting to sew your clip-ins. So now we're going to take our first piece, and we are going to start by putting the needle through the corner and locking in our thread. Now we're going to get our clip. We're going to put our clip against the weft, and we're going to have the clip part facing away from the weft. And what I mean by that is you want it so that when you snap it, the snap part goes towards your head. So now I'm going to start looping my needle through so that I can attach my clip. I'm going to start from one corner and go to the next. Now sometimes the needle is a little bit too thick to go through the clip, so you might have to go around it and keep the clip unsnapped so that it's open. As you can see, I'm basically just going around the weft to keep the weft together, and then right before I get to the end, I'm gonna start sewing my clip again, making sure that it fits perfectly right on the edge. So I'm going to take the needle and thread and start looping it around the clip, keeping the clip open so that I can make sure I get my needle through it, because the needle is too thick to go through the holes. So now as I get towards the end, I'm going to go ahead and cut a little bit of the excess off so that there's no track hanging off. And I'm going to continue looping through and then leading this into a knot. Now it's very important to keep the hair very neat. You don't want to do this messy because all the hair will get through the thread and then you won't be able to attach the clips tightly. Now I'm going to cut my needle off, and boom, I have my first clip-in ready. Now I'm going to continue this same method onto all the rest of the clips. As you can see, it's not a huge gap in between the weft, but there is still a gap. Now these are my 2 smaller pieces here. My next piece only has two clip-ins. Now as I start to get longer wefts, I start to add more clips. This one has 3. You can see the clips are evenly placed, and then this one has 4. So you want to make sure your clips are evenly placed and the gaps aren't too big nor too small. Now here are my 7 pieces. As you can see, all my clips are evenly placed. And if you want, like I said before, you can add a little bit more clips to make your extensions a little bit fuller, but 7 pieces is the average amount. And for this, I use 1.5 bundles. I hope that this video helped you guys. Make sure you guys subscribe and like, and let me know what you guys think. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.